Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Mandalorian HD TV. I didn't make a long video. I don't know why, but today's video we are going to unbox the Mandalorian with Grogu Funko Pop. So, over here at the back we actually have 6 characters, which is a 1, 2, and 3. But Boba Fett and Grogu I didn't find. But this came out in the Mandalorian Disney Plus. Season 3 is about to come out, and it's number 461. So let's just unbox this thing and see a closer look. There we go. Then we have the logo that we can take out. This one, yeah, the logo of the chain. So let's let Grogu holding it. Good job, Grogu. And now let's unbox it. And sorry about that. Okay, so here we are with the new Funko Pop. This is like my first Funko Pop. You can see the one right there. It's my first Funko Pop in 2022. It like wobbles. It's having like this cool jetpack, and it's actually the Mandalorian, the actor. So we are having Grogu with the Mandalorian, and he doesn't have his face. We're having the Star Wars logo, and this is the standard. So it like wobbles his head. Obviously we all know that, and it looks kind of cool that this toy is kind of really awesome. I'm having in my hands right now. So let's review the box. Then we're having the side, and then the back we just reviewed, and this side. So it's kind of cool, and the Mandalorian is really quite like the best. And even season 3 is coming out in 2022, and is going to be made by Disney Plus. It says right there. And then it's Funko, because Funko Pop. Yeah, so it's really cool, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So hit that like button and subscribe to my channel with the new Funko Pop, the Mandalorian with Grogu 461 Funko Pop, my first Funko Pop in the world. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and this is like my first Funko Pop. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time in another Mandalorian HD toy review. Bye bye.